So I ended up getting the SL2 Pros. That's how it looks inside the box. Let's take these out. Man, pretty nice little feature. It feels really great. Seems pretty straightforward. Alright, just gotta disconnect this side real quick. This side seems like it's gonna be easier to reach. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks side by side. See how it turns out. Definitely very straightforward. Nice. This side looks like I just gotta take off these clips. And then I'm just assuming this will pop out like so. There's a bigger notch on the top, so you just gotta align it with the inside this headlight, and done. I'm gonna put the microphone next to the lights. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's a slight humming. But honestly, outside of the car, you can't hear anything else from the outside. I'll show you guys some clips of how the lights look before with the OEM halogen lights, and then I'll throw up some clips with the new setup. Alright, so right here you're gonna see just the regular halogen bulbs. These are from factory. So the line cutoff is pretty crisp. That's with the fog lights. Sometimes I kind of just want to keep the fog lights off. But of course when I have the fog lights off, then I don't get as much light output. And then we'll just drive like this, just so that way you guys can kind of get an idea of how the light spreads is with the stock lights. Since we're surrounded on both sides of trees, you really get to see where the light is hitting and where it reaches. Alright, you guys get to see how it looks from up there now. So the light up front is pretty good. It's mainly the spread where I feel like it loses its brightness. And the cutoff line looks great. It does look like it shines a little bit above it, but overall the line looks pretty good. That's what it looks like with the fog lights, and we'll start driving just with these lights. This is what I was looking for, was the consistency on the sides of the spread. With the original halogen bulbs, most of the light was mainly focused mainly towards the middle, and then towards the ends it would kind of like fade off. And of course this too, I mean, yeah, the focus is more straight ahead, but for sure on the sides it's definitely a lot brighter than the halogen bulbs. All right, now you guys get to see how it looks from up there for comparison. Yeah, these look amazing. Now, I was considering getting the GTR lights. I believe they just came out with the Ultra 3s, but that just seemed a little bit too excessive. And the SL2 Pros seem like a good balance on quality, light output, and reliability. So, I mean, I have bought in the fog lights and the ditch lights. So far, my experience has been really good. So that's another reason why I had to go with the SL2 Pros. I'm gonna turn on the fog lights, turn on the ditch lights. So the blend, of course, with the white and yellow isn't the most pleasant, but I mean, overall, I mean, good light output. I'll turn on my fogs real quick, go inside the neighborhood, and the fogs is just, I mean, don't get me wrong, the fogs do a great job, but it's a lot of light to the sides, and I don't want to be disturbing the neighbors. So, just the SL2 Pros alone, man, it looks good. It looks like it's clear. It's a clear view in front of me without being too bright to the sides. And that's exactly what I was looking for. So you see, just right here in these corners is just, definitely feel confident, as in there's a good amount of light to the sides in front of me. Before, when I was just my halogens, I was definitely driving slower. Yeah, honestly, this light is just clean. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't really seen too many videos on SL2 Pros other than what Diode Dynamics has, and maybe like 2 or 3 people that have posted their experience with these. So hopefully you guys get a better idea on the differences with the halogen and the LED, and essentially the performance you're going to be getting from these LEDs.